co-production in social services is about recognising one fundamental truth, that service users and carers are the people who know what their needs are better than anyone else. To me, this means putting the citizen where they should be, at the centre of service design and delivery. It means developing services with users of those services and carers as equal partners. I'm delighted to have played a role in ensuring that this philosophy is enshrined in law in Wales through the Social Services and Wellbeing Act.
Hi, my name's Natalie Savoury and I'm the Learning and Development Manager for Drug Aid Cymru. Co-production is a massive part of what we do here at Drug Aid, and we truly believe in the benefits it can bring for an organisation and also for service users. So we're really pleased to hear about the launch of the co-production network.
I'm proud of the way Cartrefi Cymru has received recognition for the co-productive way we empower staff to really listen to the people, enabling them to have the support they want.
We decided, don't we, to get support.
Try out to do a bit more independent. I don't know support today. I'll rearrange it then.
I think it's a good thing we get the service we want.
Good luck to the network.
Good luck to the network.
It's brilliant that Wales will have a co-production network. Good luck, pob luck.
Co-production contemplation. People, 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 the rhythm of all our lives, fluxed as we cross each other, in love, in tragedy, in hope, in joy, connecting ourselves with their selves, defining the spirit of all of us in mutuality, reciprocity, by emotion, intelligence, honesty, and strength. Living life to the fullest of our half-filled glasses, putting people in the picture, framing our lives together for all of us.
My name is Noreen. I'm one of the co-founders of Co-Production Wales alongside with Ruth and Ian. 4 years ago, Ruth and I had a conversation and we were talking about how wonderful it would be if we had a network of people and practitioners of co-production across Wales, if Edgar Khan would be our patron, if the Health Minister would support us, and if third sector organisations and citizens across the board were able to come together and work to transform our public services. So as a result of that conversation, we put together a proposal, And as a result of that proposal, we are launching today the funded co-production network, which is completely amazing. I'm so happy that it's come together and it's happening now. I completely believe in co-production as a way of working for public services, and I'm really, really hopeful for public services in Wales in the future.
I am really pleased to celebrate the launch of Co-Production Network programme. We've been really fortunate in getting funding for this through the big lottery fund. Co-production is absolutely vital to Wales at this time. We have a situation, a context where we need to do things differently, and co-production is certainly a way of capturing people's imagination to do things differently and to deliver public services in a different way. So I look forward to working with the rest of the steering group of the Co-Production Network. It's new members of staff whom we're recruiting to work together to better inform the way forward for public services in Wales.
Co-production explained through the film Star Trek. The NHS is the SS Enterprise in orbit around the planet community. Demand is overwhelming, the shields have been raised. Waiting times still grow. Simon Stevens beams down, finds a planet community is actually a planet communities, many alien life forms. Needs to find a way of talking to all, co-production. In doing so, he realises many people are kind and compassionate. Social action works. Together, the NHS is saved.
Live long and prosper.
Congratulations everyone on being together on the 26th of May for this our launch event for the Co-Production Network for Wales. What could be better? We're all gathered together. We've brought this network together through our collective effort. So many great stories are here to be told today. We have Edgar joining us, and I'm really pleased that my colleagues from Time to Meet will be giving a presentation later. So well done everyone, and I hope you have a brilliant day.
This is Nick Andrews in Swansea University. Why should we celebrate co-production? We celebrate it because people like George, a man with dementia I worked with, who said at the start of a co-productive project, I don't know why you're involving me in this, because of my age, because of my memory loss, because of my uselessness, went on to write a delightful book for children, an anti-bullying book for children, based on his story. And if I had more than 30 seconds, I'd tell you that story, but watch this space.
Hi, my name's Emma Faulkner. I'm the director of my own company, emmafaulkner.com. I have been an avid supporter of the co-production network and all the developments I've seen Ruth and the team and the wider network take place. I'm delighted that there's this launch. I'm sorry I can't be there today, and really, really well done and good luck for the future. I'll be with you all the way.
Hi from the Scottish Co-Production Network. We just wanted to congratulate you in Wales on the launch of your new network. Fantastic news. We've been following your developments and we're delighted to hear how you'll be taking co-production forward. Keep us posted, keep in touch, and have a great day.
Hi all, and congratulations. So pleased that the CoPro network's going to get off the ground and really kick the CoPro agenda across Wales. Us in the little corner of Monmouthshire have been behind you all the way and hope to be a much bigger part of that journey. Well done, one and all.